something special. Going to be installing this.
Boom.
Nrg wheel. First thing we want to do, disconnect this, which I've already done. Put the old guy here. These have got to come out, and there's two more on the other side. Those need to come out. Once you get these caps off, alright, there's two of them. Here's the other one. Up and behind here, that bolt right there. You gotta unscrew that, and that's an 8. And right there's the other one. And once you get your two screws out in the back, slowly pull this off. And right there, that's for your, that's the airbag. You gotta slowly, carefully take that out so you don't bust your airbag out. When you pull this slowly away from the steering wheel, you're gonna see this piece in the very center. You're gonna want to take a flathead screwdriver and carefully pry up from like right here, and just carefully pry it up until it pops out. And then it's time to do this big one right here in the middle. So when you're ready to take off your dot, there we go. Unscrew it. Take it all the way out. And then you gotta mess with it to break it free. Couple pulls, couple wobbles, then you pull it. And then when you finally break it free, pull it on out of there. And there you go. Old wheel. Alright, now no wheel. We're ready to install the NRG hub. Alright, and this white dot right here means that it's on the top. And you just slap that in there just like that. So I'll see you guys in a few. Once you got your hub on, you're going to want to take your quick release apart. You're going to want to take it apart. Come up here. Alright. Tuck the 2 wires inside. Line up your holes. And then put your screws in. Then once you got your quick release all put back together, you grab your wheel, connect the 2 wires behind the horn, and then just screw everything in. And there you go. That's really all there is to it. Right here is the final. So, and then this one, you guys can just toss this one because out with the bunk and with the spunk. Alright, well there you go guys. Later.